Fever is a common symptom in 98% of the COVID-19 cases. To tackle this, Oizom has developed a contactless digital fever detection system, Fevo. fevoplus is a compact, connected, and cost-effective fever detector. It can be seamlessly connected to your smartphone. The fevoplus offers accurate temperature recording on real-time with unlimited data storage. The fevoplus shows real-time data on the mobile app and can be integrated with multiple databases like passport numbers, employee IDs, and unique identity numbers like Aadhaar or Social Security number. Its size makes it an ideal solution for fever detection on the go. It is widely used at homes, baby care, offices, and personal use. The Fevobot is an automatic fever screening system that can be mounted on a wall or tripod for fever detection. The Fevobot has a display that shows real-time temperature and sound feedback on successful screening. The Fevobot has a sufficient battery backup for 200+ screenings. It can screen a person in just half a second. This makes it capable of handling a long queue or crowd without congestion. The data from Fevobot can be integrated with your existing access control systems, ERP solutions, and digital kiosks. It can be easily installed at entrances of office premises, restaurants and bars, malls, shopping centers, and industrial facilities. Detailed reports can also be generated from fevoplus and Fevobot for trend analysis.